Here we go.
I might have stayed in drag mode that time. Let's see. Nope, we're to auto.
Oh my lord.
Let's try.
All right, here we go. We're gonna get out. Go for it.